Asana is a body posture, originally and still a general term for a sitting meditation pose, and later extended in hatha yoga and modern yoga as exercise to any type of pose or position, adding reclining, standing, inverted, twisting and balancing poses. In the figure, one can observe that poses can be related to representation of quadratic polynomial. The shape of the poses shown is, it is like a curved position. It is a parabola. So our answer is D, parabola. The graph of parabola opens downwards if the parabola will be of the form this one. This is in upward open position. In our question, the graph of parabola opens downwards. That is inverted image of this. It occurs only when a less than 0. So our option C is correct. In the graph, how many zeros are there for the polynomial? Number of zeros equal to number of times the curve touches the x-axis. So the curve touches in two places in x-axis. So number of zeros is 2. Option C is the answer. The two zeros in the above graph are, what are the two zeros? Here in the options, only x coordinates are given for the zeros. So the x coordinate of this point is -2 and this point is 4. So our answer -2 and 4. The two zeros in the above graph are -2, 4. That corresponds to option B. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial, this one, are, what are the roots? We have to calculate. From this equation, we have to calculate the roots. Here, the coefficient of x squared is 4 root 3. So, we have to multiply this 4 root 3 with the constant term. So, the constant term will become 4 into 2, 8. Root 3 into root 3, 3. So, 8 into 3, 24. We have to split this number to get the middle term 5. The last term is negative. So, one of the splitting term is negative. 8 into 3. When we subtract 8 and 3, we will be getting 5. So, 4 root 3 x squared plus 5x becomes plus 8x minus 3x minus 2 root 3 equal to 0. Let us take 4x common for these two terms. Root 3x plus 2. So, from these two terms, minus root 3 we can take outside. So, in this term, the remaining term is root 3x. In this term, 2 equal to 0. So, 4x minus root 3 into root 3x plus 2. We can take the roots from here. 4x minus root 3 equal to 0 or root 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So, x equal to root 3 by 4 or x equal to minus 2 by root 3. So, our answer root 3 by 4 and minus 2 by root 3. This value corresponds to option B.